Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you've been dealing with high uric acid levels or have been diagnosed with conditions like gout, it's essential to pay attention to your diet. Today, we're going to discuss 6 foods that you should avoid if you want to keep your uric acid levels in check. So, let's dive right in and discover which foods to steer clear of for a healthier you. First up on our list is a popular food choice for many: red meat. While it can be delicious, red meat is known to be high in purines, which are broken down into uric acid in the body. Consumption of red meat can significantly contribute to elevated uric acid levels, potentially triggering gout attacks or worsening existing symptoms. Therefore, it's advisable to limit your intake of red meat. Additionally, organ meats like liver, kidney, and sweetbreads are also culprits in raising uric acid levels. These organs are rich in purines, so it's best to avoid them or consume them sparingly if you're prone to gout or have high uric acid levels. Next on our list are certain types of seafood. While seafood is generally considered a healthy choice, some varieties contain high levels of purines. Foods like anchovies, sardines, mussels, and herring are known to be particularly high in purines, which can lead to increased uric acid levels. If you're struggling with gout or high uric acid, it's wise to reduce your consumption of these seafood options. Let's move on to a surprising but important category: sugary beverages. Drinks like soda, fruit juices with added sugars, and energy drinks may seem harmless, but they can have a negative impact on uric acid levels. High fructose content in these beverages can raise uric acid levels, making them a risky choice for those trying to manage their uric acid levels. Opting for water, herbal tea, or unsweetened beverages is a better alternative. Now, let's address a significant contributor to increased uric acid levels: alcohol. Beer, in particular, is known to be problematic due to its high purine content. However, other alcoholic beverages like wine and spirits can also elevate uric acid levels. Alcohol can also inhibit the excretion of uric acid from the body, compounding the problem. If you're dealing with gout or high uric acid, it's advisable to minimize your alcohol consumption. Moving on, certain fruits with high fructose content can also be problematic for individuals with high uric acid levels. Fruits like grapes, pineapples, and ripe bananas contain high amounts of fructose, which can contribute to increased uric acid production. While fruits are generally healthy, it's advisable to moderate your intake of these specific high fructose fruits if you're concerned about your uric acid levels. Last but not least, we have processed foods. Foods like fast food, packaged snacks, and pre-packaged meals often contain artificial additives, preservatives, and high levels of sodium. These processed foods can lead to inflammation and increased uric acid levels in the body. Opting for whole, unprocessed foods and cooking meals from scratch using fresh ingredients is a better approach to maintaining healthy uric acid levels. That wraps up our discussion on 6 foods to avoid if you're dealing with high uric acid levels. Remember, making dietary changes and consulting with a healthcare professional can play a crucial role in managing your uric acid levels effectively. Have you experienced gout attacks or found success in managing high uric acid levels through dietary changes? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.